Alright, so this is the Joyo Hot Plexi and the Ramble Effects Marvel Drive. So we're doing a bit of a shootout today between a $30 Plexi Drive pedal and I think $150 or $200 new at least Ramble Effects Marvel Drive, which is another type of Plexi clones. So they both sound great. They don't sound similar to each other, I don't think. This one is in a very solid metal case with a nice like fake plexiglass type thing here, which is really cool. This one, well, it's just a gold pedal really. It's metal as well. It's not quite as thick. Doesn't feel as sturdy. This one has seen many gigs though, and there's scratches and dents all over this one though. So we'll start with everything at noon. And we'll start with the Joyo Hot Plexi because it's easier to explain. So here's the clean tone on a Fender style amp. Alright, and with the pedal on. Okay, so on the Ramble Effects Marvel Drive, we've got different controls. We've got a high treble, a normal, a master, and a present. So the high treble and normal are meant to emulate the different inputs you have on a Plexi. So that's the gain for the high input, that's the gain for the normal input, overall master volume, and a presence control, which is a tone, but in a different way. So here's all the controls at noon. Alright, so I'll leave you guys to make your mind up to it. I honestly, with the controls at noon, I think I prefer the Joyo, funnily enough. It just, I mean, it still sounds great. They sound different, but they sound great. So we'll start mucking around with the Joyo first, I think. One thing to note about the Joyo is wherever you put the gain, it doesn't change really. So here's full gain. And no gain. So it changes a bit, there's not a great deal in it. It's like the Tone City Golden Plexi, there's no real change in the gain. The Marvel Drive on the other hand. Just bear in mind the power is really Sorry, not the power. The sound is sounding really bad because of the power supply I'm using. It's just a rechargeable power supply. I know it's not the greatest, but it's all I've got at the moment. So we'll just do a bit of A-B now between the two pedals. So we'll start with the Joyo Hot Plexi, and I'll just like hit a big fat old A. We'll turn the gain up on the Hot Plexi. We'll turn gain up a bit on the Marvel drive. And we'll go again. We'll start this way around this time. Alright, I think I found a way to describe the tonal difference now. This is your big, fat, chunky Woolworths chocolate mud cake. It's just so chewy, so fat in the tone. It just sounds absolutely... It just sounds fantastic. There's nothing wrong with that. This is your diet one. This is your diet chocolate cake you get from Woolies. It's a bit thinner, make you look hotter, but... more gain in this one. Alright, so that was the Joyo Hot Plexi and the Ramble Effects Marvel Drive. I'll leave you guys to decide which one you preferred. I think if I was going to make a decision, if I was taking one out to a gig, I would take that one. If I was putting one on a board with other pedals, I'd take this one, I think. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you next time.